Alright, what are we going to get up to today? Today is the day of the bonfire. So I don't really have anything to do. I mean, I'll have to take, once it gets closer to the time, I'll take some food over there and get the fire started. But I don't know what we're going to do today. Might start getting Christmas lights out. You want to start doing Christmas? Mm-hmm. It is a pretty day today. We'll get up to something, huh? We'll do something fun. Just getting the rhino ready and pulled out. I gotta load it up with the items that I'm gonna take over across the way for the bonfire. Just some tables and then the food and coolers and things. It is a little dirty, so I'll probably try to clean it out first. All right, we're getting set up for the little bonfire we're gonna have. We got the food table, drinks in the coolers here. Getting the fire going. It's a little burned down to some coals for cooking. A couple little seating areas for people. Here, I think everybody will bring their own chairs though. Plenty of firewood. Just need it to get dark and have people. I like to have the fire going ahead of time so that it gets a good bed of coals, because that's what makes it better for roasting hot dogs or marshmallows instead of just having an open flame. I like to have that fire going good before people start arriving, and Troy did a good job with that, and now we're just kind of waiting for everybody to show up. Once everybody started arriving, it got dark, and it was just a very nice, relaxing evening. It was cool, and the fire felt really good. We had a lot of food. Everybody was talking about different things, a lot of conversations going on, so I kind of turned the volume down because it was just a lot going on, so you couldn't really keep up with one specific conversation, but we really had a good time, and hopefully we can do it again before it gets too cold out. But just enjoy time with friends and family. Love that country life for sure.